Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about change the values in tuple as well as add items and remove items. Okay, we will discuss these topics in this video. Let's have a look here. But see, actually, tuple is unchangeable. Okay, unchangeable means there is no scope for adding elements. There is no scope for deleting elements. Okay, but by using constructor, first here the tuple change into list. Okay, in list we have add items. Again we will change into tuple. Okay, let's have a look here. First here I am taking, okay, here I am taking list. Okay, list is a reference. List is equal to list of tuple 1. Okay, list of tuple 1. Now it will consider as print list 1. Okay, print list 1. See, now this is a, okay, now this is a list. Okay, now this is a list. Already the tuple of items, okay, the tuple of items, by using list constructor I changed into list. Okay, the tuple I changed into list. Suppose if you want any item, okay, if you want to change any item in the this particular list, see, suppose here I want to change banana. Okay, here I want to change banana. See, list of 1. Okay, list of 1 is equal to, okay, list of 1 is equal to orange. Okay, the list of 1 is equal to orange. Now you have to print list. Okay, now you have to print list. See, the instead of banana, orange will be print. Okay, instead of banana, orange will be print. In this way, okay, this is now this list. Okay, now this list you have to change into tuple. Now tuple 1 is equal to tuple of list 1. Okay, tuple of list 1. Now tuple will be print. Now tuple will be print. Okay, instead of banana, orange will be print as tuple. Okay, orange will be print as tuple. Friends, okay, this is the way of change item in tuple. Okay, you have to do practice. Okay, up to here you have to pause the video. Okay, up to here you have to do practice. Okay, once practice completed, after then you have to start practice add items. Okay, now see, in this way we have to change the items in tuple. Okay, next. Okay, next, see, next, add items. Okay, actually in tuple add items is not possible. Okay, change item is different, add item is different. Okay, add item means additional item we have to add. Okay, additional item we have to add. That's why the additional item, for adding purpose we are using append method. For adding purpose we are using append method. But according to tuple, okay, but according to tuple, actually append method is not work for tuple. Okay, see, append. Okay, append method is not work for tuple. That's why you have to change first tuple. You have to change into list. Okay, first tuple you have to change into list. Okay, here I changed it into list. Now I want to add one more item. Okay, list one dot append. List one dot append orange. Okay, list one dot append orange. Now you have to print once list like this. Now orange element will be add at last. Okay, orange element will be add at last. Now this list you have to convert into tuple. Okay, now tuple 1 is equal to, tuple 1 is equal to tuple of, okay, tuple of list 1. Okay, tuple of list 1. Now this list is converted into tuple. Okay, this list is converted into tuple. See here, see, in this way the tuple will be print. Okay, by using first first the tuple we should convert into list. Okay, in a list you have to add item by using append method. Again the list converted into tuple. Now you have to print tuple. Okay, in this way you have added item. Okay, we have one more way is there. Okay, you have one more way is there, that is, here I am taking one more tuple. Okay, here I am taking one more tuple, single element. Okay, single element I am taking ORA in the See, when you add a tuple, just here this comma is must. Okay, without comma, it will consider as string. Okay, if you keep comma like this, it will consider as tuple. Okay, now these both elements should be add. Okay, these both tuples will be add. See, print tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Print 1 plus tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Okay, it will, the item should be add like this. Okay, the items should be add like this. Okay, in these two ways we have add the items. Okay, in these two ways you have add the items. Now removing items. Okay, removing items. See, adding items not possible in tuple. Okay, as well as removing item is also not possible in tuple. Okay, removing item is also not possible. First, this tuple you have to converting into list. List 1 is equal to list of tuple. Okay, list of tuple. Now list dot, okay, list dot remove. Okay, list dot remove. Okay, if you want to remove any item, okay, you have to remove. Suppose here I am removing banana. Here I am removing banana. Now you have to print list 1. Okay, you have to print list 1. The banana item will be print. Okay, the banana item will be print. Now this tuple is converting into, okay, now this tuple is converting into, sorry, this list is converting into tuple. Okay, this list is converting into tuple like this. See, now, I'm sorry, not converted. I didn't print statement. Please print. The print statement is tuple 1. Okay, here I am removing this. See, now it will print like this. The, okay, tuple. Okay, in this way, you have to remove the items in tuple. Okay, remove the items in tuple. Suppose if you want to delete, okay, if you want to delete complete tuple. Okay, delete complete tuple, the error will be generate. Okay, the error will be generate. Now the complete tuple will be print. The complete tuple will be, if you print complete tuple, in this way you have to delete. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. In this video we discussed about change tuple items, add items, as well as remove items. We discussed in this video. Okay, I hope you understand this video. Okay, if you understand, please like and subscribe my channel, as well as share to your friends. Okay, thank you so much.